Hi, Jack. Good morning.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
I feel good. I slept well. How about you?
I feel good too. I slept early last night.
That's great. Do you take a walk here every morning?
Yes, I do. I like walking in the morning. The air is fresh.
Yes, the air feels fresh today, and the sky looks clear.
True. I like this weather. It is not too hot.
Do you come here alone?
Yes, I come here alone. I like quiet mornings.
I understand. Quiet mornings help me think.
Exactly. Do you walk here every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I stay home and make coffee.
Oh, you love coffee?
Yes, I love coffee. I drink coffee every morning.
Same here. I drink coffee before I go to work.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 in the morning. And you?
I start work at 8.
Wow, you start earlier than me.
Yes, but I finish early too.
That's nice. What do you do at work?
I work in an office. I answer emails, help customers, and write reports.
That sounds busy.
Yes, sometimes it is busy, but I enjoy it.
That's important. If you enjoy your work, it feels good.
What about you, Jack? What do you do?
I work in a small store. I talk to customers, pack items, and check products.
That sounds interesting. You meet many people, right?
Yes, many people come to the store every day.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like talking to people.
That's good. Do you work full-time?
Yes, I work full-time.
Do you feel tired after work?
Sometimes I do, but I rest when I get home.
What do you do after work?
I cook dinner, watch TV, and listen to music.
Nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music. It helps me relax. What about you?
I like soft music too. And I like pop music.
Oh, pop music is fun.
Yes. Do you like reading?
Sometimes. I read short stories.
That's good. Reading helps with English.
Yes, I want to improve my English.
Me too. I want to listen better and speak better.
Do you practice English every day?
I try to. I watch videos and listen to conversations.
Same here. I listen to English podcasts.
Do they help you?
Yes, they help a lot. I can hear many accents.
That is useful. I want to understand the American accent better.
This conversation feels like practice, too.
Yes, it does. Talking slowly helps.
True. And using simple words helps, too.
Do you want to get coffee after the walk?
Sure, I would like that.
Great. There is a cafe near the park.
Perfect. I like that cafe.
Me too. Their coffee tastes good.
Let's walk there after we finish here.
Sounds good.
So, Emma, do you exercise a lot?
Not really. I only walk.
Walking is good exercise.
Yes, I agree.
Do you want to start running someday?
Maybe, but running feels hard for me.
You can start slow.
True. Maybe one day.
Do you have plans for today?
I plan to clean my room and read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I need to buy groceries and call my mom.
Nice. Do you call your mom often?
Yes, I call her every week.
That is sweet.
Thank you. Look, more people are coming to the park now.
Yes, it's getting busy.
Do you want to go to the cafe now?
Yes, let's go. This cafe feels cozy.
Yes, it feels warm and nice.
What do you want to drink?
I think I want a latte. And you?
I want a cappuccino today.
Good choice. Do you want anything to eat?
Maybe a muffin.
I will get a cookie.
Great. Let's order.
The coffee smells good.
Yes, it smells fresh.
Do you come here often?
Maybe once or twice a week.
I come here on weekends.
Do you study English here sometimes?
Yes, I listen to English here while I drink coffee.
That sounds nice. I like studying outside too.
It helps me focus.
True. Do you practice speaking with anyone?
Not much. I mostly practice alone.
Same here. That's why I want to talk more with people.
Me too. Speaking helps build confidence.
Yes, and listening helps understand real conversation.
What is the hardest part of listening for you?
Fast speech. Some people speak very fast.
Yes, fast speech is difficult.
Also, sometimes people connect words.
Yes, connected speech makes it hard.
But practice helps.
True? I try to listen every day.
What videos do you watch?
I watch daily conversation videos.
That's great. Videos help with real-life English.
Yes. What about you?
I watch English listening practice videos.
Nice.
Do you write new words?
Yes, I keep a small notebook.
Oh, that's a good idea. What about you?
I type notes on my phone.
That also works.
Learning English takes time.
Yes, but we can learn step by step.
Exactly. Small steps are fine.
Do you want to travel one day?
Yes, I want to visit the US.
Really?
Yes, I want to hear real American accents.
That's cool. I want to travel too. Where do you want to go?
I want to visit New York.
New York sounds exciting.
Yes, many tall buildings and busy streets.
I like big cities.
Me too.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I enjoy new food.
I enjoy it too.
Maybe one day we can travel together.
That would be fun.
Yes,
The muffin tastes good.
and the cookie tastes sweet.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
That's nice.
Do you cook?
Sometimes I like simple food.
Like pasta?
Yes, pasta and soup.
Soup tastes good on cold days.
Yes, it does.
Emma, do you watch movies in English?
Sometimes, but I choose simple movies.
Same here. Simple stories help.
What movie do you like?
I like light comedy.
Me too.
Do you use subtitles?
Yes, I use English subtitles.
Good choice. It helps reading and listening.
Yes, it helps me learn new words.
Do you repeat lines from movies?
Sometimes it feels fun.
Yes, repeating helps pronunciation.
True.
Do you want to improve your accent?
Yes, I want a clearer accent.
Me too.
We can practice together.
Yes. Let's do that.
Talking today feels good.
Yes, I enjoy it.
We should do this more often.
Yes, once or twice a week.
That sounds perfect.
Great.
Do you want more coffee?
No. 1 cup is enough.
Same here.
What time is it now?
It is almost 10.
I need to go to the store soon.
I understand. You have work.
Yes.
I will go home and clean my room.
Okay.
Thank you for the nice conversation.
Thank you too.
We can meet again next week.
Yes. Let's meet.
Great. Have a good day, Jack.
You too, Emma. See you soon.
See you. Jack, before you go, can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
How do you stay motivated to study English every day?
Good question. I try to think about my goals.
Your goals?
Yes, my goal is to speak English with confidence.
That is a good goal.
And I want to understand movies without subtitles.
Wow, that is my goal too.
Really?
Yes, I want to watch movies and understand everything.
That will feel great.
True. Do you ever feel tired of studying?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you do then?
I take a short break, maybe 1 or 2 days.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, taking breaks helps me stay fresh.
I agree. I take breaks on weekends.
Good idea.
Do you learn English alone or do you take a class?
I learn alone, but I also watch online lessons.
Oh, I watch online lessons too. They help a lot.
Yes, and the teachers speak clearly.
Right. Clear speech helps beginners.
Do you ever practice shadowing?
Yes, sometimes I repeat after the speaker.
Same here. Shadowing helps me improve my accent.
And it helps with rhythm.
Yes, the rhythm of American English is very important.
I want to sound natural.
Me too.
Maybe we can practice shadowing together next time.
That would be fun.
Yes, and we can choose a short video.
Good idea.
Jack, do you like learning languages?
Yes, I like learning new languages.
What other languages do you want to learn?
Maybe Spanish?
Oh, Spanish sounds beautiful.
Yes, and many people speak it.
True.
What about you?
I want to learn Japanese.
Nice. Why Japanese?
I like Japanese culture and food.
Oh, me too.
Maybe one day I can visit Japan.
Yes, that would be amazing.
Travel helps us learn languages better.
Yes, real conversations help a lot.
Speaking with native speakers sounds scary, though.
Yes, but it gets easier with practice.
True.
Emma, I think you will become very good at English.
Thank you. I think you will too.
Thanks.
Learning takes time, but we can do it.
Yes, step by step.
And with practice every day.
Exactly.
Okay, Jack, I think we should go now.
Yes, I need to get ready for work.
And I need to start cleaning.
Thank you again for the talk.
Thank you too. Let's meet again.
Yes, next week.
Great.
Have a nice day, Emma.
You too, Jack. Bye.
Bye.